guys, we're back on CP3 TV, #1. And I'll be getting a new desk. And my room would be painted. Plus, I'll be showing something that will not be shown by a kid for a long time. A long time. This will be hilarious. Hilarious. I'm telling you guys. Hilarious. Okay, it's money. I love money. One $100 bill. And another $100 bill. What was coming? Wait for a sec. Two more $1 bills. Dun, 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 dun. So this stuff is not printed. I'm telling you, this stuff is real money. I love money. Money is my favorite thing. Money, 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 money. It's payday. It's payday. It's payday. It's payday. These are the two best dollar bills in the world. I really want to trade. I have a really good idea. Look, kid, I have another thing that is super duper cool. It's coin instead. No, wrong way. Dun 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 dun. You can see up close. So yeah, for some reason it's really weird looking at the camera, which is right there that I'm tapping on. Right there. Right there. You get to buy it. If you like getting it right, like that, leave a yes in the comments. Or leave a thumbs up if you don't. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe or leave a big fat thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, guys.